What's up, buds? Have you been dreaming about getting sponsored so you can just fly your drone to your heart's content and not have to worry so much about all the shit to get it together? Well, now's your chance. Enter the freestyle contest with Fly High FPV and Super Critical. We are going to be taking submissions until January 23rd. Hit the link in my bio to get entered. There's a Google form and you'll submit your 1-minute YouTube video to us. Make sure it's only 1 minute long and not longer. But get your video submitted fast because we want all the submissions. Last year there were over 100 entries. I want to see even more this year. We're going to do a live stream on Super Critical's YouTube channel where we'll be reviewing some of the videos and telling people exactly what we think. If you haven't seen Super Critical FPV Show, you need to check it out. These guys are an amazing asset to our community. They are taking people's freestyle videos that are submitted and they break them down and walk through it and help you understand what you can do a little bit better to just keep improving things and continue to see that progression. I love it. They help new guys, they help guys that have been doing it for years, and I just want to see what they're doing get bigger. So we're pushing it forward, collaboration style. Fly High teaming up with them and making things even bigger. Oh, how big? Oh, you want to win sponsorship? Yeah, but what else? How about a whole set of T-Motors, F60 Pros, and a cash prize? And the top 3 winners are going to get Fly High FPV rolling papers and LED strips. Fly High.